Hi, and today I will be showing you a new video of a new tool that I just got from the market. I just ordered it on Amazon and finally I got it. So let's see what we have today. Today I have this wonderful pneumatic nail gun. It's the Makute pneumatic nail gun. As you can see, it's a professional pneumatic tool. And as you can see in the box, and it's a brand new item. Look at that wonderful box of the Makute. It's a very wonderful brand. And what a pneumatic nail gun is, it's a compressed air nail gun that gets connected to your home air compressor, and it shoots 5 centimeter nails. So if you're like fixing a chair or fixing a table, like you want to add some wood, you want to strengthen some product, some wooden product, you want to strengthen that, use the pneumatic nail gun just to make this work. So let's see what's inside the box. So this is the unboxing of the Makute. Okay. As you can see, it has the logo and the picture of the nail gun itself on the box. It's wonderful. And wow, look at that. See? Comes with an extra oil. That's what's inside the box. Extra oil and 2 Allen keys. Show you that Allen keys. 2 Allen keys. And of course it comes with some nails for testing. And the nail gun. Oh, okay. And here is a manual. I was looking for that. So the manual tells you how to operate the gun, and it tells you as well how to disassemble it. If you want to fix something, you can disassemble the product, and it comes with lots of warnings and lots of instructions right there. And it says series exploded views odd nailer. Series exploded views. Whatever. So let's see the nail gun itself. Wow, look at that. And here is the air hose for the pneumatic nail gun. And here is the air exhaust. Oh. And what's that? Ooh. Something just popped right away. Is that a magazine? Wow. Oh, it's a magazine just for putting the 5 centimeter nails right there, because I can see the 5 centimeter nails right there. Okay, so that's the gun, and so that's the Makute. And oh, That's a safety lock just to prevent it from shooting, like unattended shootings. And as well as like unattended shooting with the gun could cause serious injuries, as well as malfunctioning the device itself. This is not cheap. As I said, it costs a lot. So it's not good to have that malfunctioning. So this was the pneumatic nail gun, and this is the safety. So it does not shoot unless you put it on the wood. You stick this part on the piece of the wood that you want to nail it with the nails. So when you press, pew, it shoots the 5 centimeter nail inside the wood, and this is how it works. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was the part 1 for the pneumatic nail gun. Stay tuned, I'm making the part 2 for the nail gun in operation. So we're going to see this nail gun in action. And again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in part 2 for testing out the pneumatic nail gun in action. Thank you for watching.